Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Yemi and this is Yemizkitchen. Today we're going to be making my chili sauce or chili oil. You can get your oil from the chili sauce I'm going to make today. What are the ingredients needed for chili sauce? You're going to need chili pepper by itself, 3 cloves of garlic, 3 cups of canola oil, chili flakes, chili red pepper by itself which I've rehydrated, half a spoon of salt and half a spoon of black pepper, 2 spoons of rice wine vinegar, a teaspoon of oyster sauce, 2 spoons of sugar. Now let's go. We're going to pour all this in my blender, which you are seeing me blending. So I'm going to blend it coarsely. I don't want it too blended because I want to see the pepper flakes. This is finally completed. I'm pouring it in my pot, which I'm going to take to the stove. I'm going to cook it like this for like 30 minutes. I want all the wetness from the rehydration and the oil and anything to dry off, so it will only remain the chili pepper and the oil. So this is going to be like for like 20 to 30 minutes as you like it. Now I'm going to put in the salt and the black pepper, the rice wine vinegar, then the sugar. Let the pepper mix cook thoroughly. Let it cook thoroughly. Let the pepper mix cook. Then I'm going to pour my oyster sauce, which is optional by the way. You don't have to use this. I just like that. Now let all the water evaporate like I said. And now it is done. So I'm going to wait for like 30 minutes for the chili oil, chili sauce to cool off so I can decanter it to my jars. Now I've waited for like 30 minutes. That's why I've taken it from the pot to here to chill out. Now I'm going to pour it in my 2 small mason jars which are ready for the chili sauce. Now we're decanting the chili sauce into these small mason jars. And voila, it's done. I made this tab that says homemade chili sauce, chili oil. So you can use the oil on top as your chili oil and the bottom is the chili sauce. So it's not too hard to make. Once you have everything together, it's not too hard to make. I have finally finished my chili garlic sauce or oil. My chili garlic sauce, pepper sauce done. Hope you try this at home. If you do, please tag me on all my social handles. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. See you in my next episode. This is Yemi. Don't forget, in Yemizkitchen, our payoff line is choose to be happy. Happiness is a choice. Love you. Love and kisses. Mwah. Yemis. Till I meet you in the next episode. Love you. Mwah.